Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Review on the Enbrighten dual outdoor Wi-Fi smart switch. And this will be all weather rated Wi-Fi. Easy app control. Landscape lighting, seasonal lights. You see that my phone will not focus. Where that little pond is, it says pumps and foundations. You get some better lighting. Where it says seven day or weekly settings. Custom countdown up to 24 hours. Custom daily on-off times, and where you see that sun, it says self-adjust to sunset sunrise times. What I'm gonna do is hook this. I went to Tractor Supply and I found this Red Shield Home and Gifts. Open the tailgate. Red Shield Home and Gifts 48-foot LED string lights. Anyways, my review on this video is not the string lights, but I'll hook that up to the string lights with the cord side of the camper. I put this canopy up. Now how long this lasts, I don't know. It's actually pretty nice. But we'll see how long it lasts between maybe some future hailstorms and the wind. And once it falls down, I might build something here, but kind of temporary right now. So I don't know, we'll see. Let's open this up. We'll hook it up here. You know, that's just kind of dark up there. I'm gonna strand it along up here. I'll show y'all after I get it done. We'll unbox this, show you what it looks like, set it up. We'll go from there. Unboxing on this was real easy, but you just rip that, it comes off, and just fold it up. That's what you're gonna see. So there's a button right here. It's got plastic right here. And there's your plug. And little covers right there for the plugs. And you get your plugs. The cord is pretty heavy duty stout. I did forget to mention I got this at Lowe's and it cost 30 bucks. Instructions gonna look like smart switch, QR codes, download, instructions made easy, which is nice, and same thing. Let's download the app. Set this thing up. There we are, scanning the QR code. I'm gonna pull up, sign up for emails and SMS, get 10% off your next order. I am not gonna sign up for that because I don't like SMS and annoying emails coming to my phone and email every day. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna decline that. Here's what you're gonna see. They're right there. Thanks for choosing Enbrighten. Thank you for purchasing Enbrighten Wi-Fi. Download the app in the App Store or Google Play Store to get started controlling and automating your devices. Molly, what are you doing, crazy dog? Okay. I'm on the iPhone. Download on the App Store. Let's open the app. Enbrighten. Enbrighten would like to send you notifications. I guess, I don't know. Might have to change that later on. You want to agree and register. Let's go ahead and register. I am not going to show that, but let me register real quick. When you register, it's just going to say your region, email, and then agree. And then you hit the get verification code. They email over the verification code. It's really fast, so it's a good deal. Now I'm going to set a password. I'm going to do this. But to provide you with better services, we request the following permissions. Allow Enlighten to find devices on local network. And I have a dog that's licking my arm. Molly, stop. Check this out. When you use the app, we will collect necessary information, including statistical data, network uses data, application crash events, in order to monitor the performance of the app. So data allow us to collect data related to product uses. If you disable permissions, basic functions are still available. Personalization allow us to recommend contact through ads and notifications. If you disable it, we won't send what you may interest you. Okay, there's the next screen. Get started. Compatible with dual anti-tri man routers. Hustle-free setup using Bluetooth technology. Location access allows custom features. Weather conditions monitor multiple homes. Arrive, depart. Automation, auto dusk to dawn programming. Auto device discovery for simple setup. Custom views. Timers. Program settings. Okay. Tap plus and select add device. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, okay? So next I'm going to have to plug this up. Confirm device is powered. Confirm LED indicator or lights are flashing quickly. Reset device if necessary. And then reset instructions for light bulbs. Click here. Confirm. Okay, as you can see, the light is flashing. Let's hit confirm. Outdoor switch. Brighten app is requesting the following access permission. Continue. Allow Enbrighten to use your location. Allow using app. Next. Next. Password field is blank. Confirm. Okay, now connecting. So let's let this run through and connect. Shows us connecting and the light stopped flashing on here. 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, and 100%. Manual setup. Here's all like different things you can get from them, I guess. Set the outdoor dual out, and I want to put in the password for the Wi-Fi network. I got the Wi-Fi password in. It says the indicator will flash every 3 seconds when device is manual pairing. And there's that. I will hit the next. Reset the device. Press the programming button for 5 seconds to cause the indicator flash. Quickly select next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next. Reset the device. Confirm that the indicator is flashing quickly. Select next. Well, it was. That's frustrating. Next. Press the programming button for another 5 seconds. Enter the manual pairing mode. The indicator will flash slowly. Confirm. Select. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Come on, come on, come on. Next. Connect. Okay, let's open the app. Reconnect. I closed the app out because it just kept on taking me to settings. Now it says device 1 found. Add. Okay, it made me type in my Wi-Fi password again. But now one device is being added. Alright. One device. Come on, Molly, stop. Added successfully. Outdoor switch added successfully. Done. Shh. Would you like to name device and add custom image? Yes. String lights. Confirm. There's evening, morning, dusk till dawn. Says no device location information was obtained. Okay, that's nice. Anyways, at the bottom, schedule, add program, countdowns, and their settings. I got that plugged up there. I got the extension cord. I got the lights. I got the app pulled up. 6 o'clock p.m. 12 o'clock a.m. Weekly. Save. It looks like I got it set. Now let's hit this button. Bam! Turns them on. Sweet. I got them up. There's the plug, so if I want to add some more around there. Look at the moon tonight. So I got them all the way over here. These add more lighting. I got them all the way to the RV. And over here, I just did not know what to do. So I just wrapped them around over here. I've been hearing some pretty crazy coyotes and other weird stuff. I'm done with this for tonight. I got it set for 6 p.m. to 12 o'clock a.m. Up. So something's weird. It's 12 o'clock and it's still on. So I don't know what's going on. Oh, okay. It just now turned off. Okay, so it works. Awesome, guys. How cool is that? I'm gonna go inside because I'm hearing some weird stuff out here.